Imagine this. By July 2025, your life could be completely transformed, unrecognizable. What if you could achieve in 6 months what most people struggle to accomplish in an entire year? This isn't just a lofty promise. It's a proven strategy we've used to achieve our annual goals in just 3 months. Today, we're going to reveal the exact steps you can follow to achieve your yearly goals in 6 months or less. Let's be clear. This process isn't about shortcut or quick fixes. It's about mastering the art of disappearing, working in silence, and re-emerging as the best version of yourself. The strategy we're about to share will help you block out distractions, focus deeply on your goals, and shock the world with your transformation. Let me ask you something. How many times have you announced your plans to change? How many times have you posted about starting a new journey? And how many of those announcements turned into real results? The harsh truth is, the more you open your life for display, the more ways people find to drag you down. It's not just your imagination, it's a natural sociological phenomenon. Stick with us as we break this journey into 3 phases: how to disappear, what to do in the shadows, and how to reappear. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to achieve a life-changing transformation. Ready? Silence is power. The first step is to shut your mouth. Stop oversharing your plans, progress, or problems. Your words often betray your intentions and expose your vulnerability. From now on, speak less about your life. Keep your aspirations and struggles private. The only exception is your life partner, but only if they genuinely support your journey. Practice catching your thoughts before they escape your lips. Become a mystery, even to those closest to you. Detach from opinions to truly disappear. You must stop caring about what others think of you. Most people's opinions are fleeting and self-serving. Reprogram your mind to value only your own judgment. Imagine an ideal version of yourself and obsess over living up to their standard. Would they respect your actions? Would they be proud of your choices? By prioritizing your opinion of yourself, you'll free yourself from the puppet strings of societal. Conceal your vision. Your plans are your treasure. Don't reveal them to just anyone. Every time you share your dreams, you dilute their power. Seek advice only from those whose expertise is crucial to your progress. And even then, share the bare minimum. Treat your goals as sacred secrets. Hide your progress. It's tempting to flaunt your wins, but resist the urge. Progress thrives in privacy. Keep your improved skills, physique, or achievements under wraps. Focus on continuous improvement instead of seeking validation. Use the energy you'd spend on boasting to fuel your efforts further. Endure in silence. Transformation is painful. You'll face setbacks, failures, and moments of despair. Resist the instinct to vent to others. Cry, scream, or bleed if you must, but do it alone. Let your struggles strengthen your resolve. Each hardship is a stepping stone to the new you. Set clear targets. Be specific about what you want to achieve. Write down your goals and keep them visible to yourself, but hidden from others. Whether it's building a business, mastering a skill, or transforming your health, clarity is key. Obsess over your plan. Design your daily routine around your goal. Every hour should be intentional. Move closer to the gym. Join a class that aligns with your aspirations, or dedicate specific hours to skill development. Break down your larger goals into manageable steps and track your progress weekly. Embrace the grind. Learn to find joy in the hard work. Love the process of grinding in solitude. Over time, you'll discover that the satisfaction of silent growth surpasses any external validation. Reprogram your mind to equate happiness with progress and discipline. Take the 90-day challenge. Commit to a 90-day streak where you work on your goal every single day without exception. No excuses. Mark each day on a calendar to visualize your streak and build momentum. Consistency will compound into extraordinary results. Eliminate distractions. Your phone is likely your biggest enemy. Social media and mindless scrolling drain your time and focus. Limit your usage and replace those habits with productive activity. Protect your energy and attention as if your future depends on it, because it does. Redefine success when the time comes to emerge from your transformation. You'll realize that external validation no longer matters. The internal satisfaction of your growth will be enough. Your success isn't about impressing others, it's about fulfilling your own potential. Reappear only when it aligns with your new goals and values. Shock the world, or don't if you choose to reveal your transformation. Let your results speak for themselves. Don't feel pressured to prove anything to anyone. You've already won by becoming the person you aspire to be. Whether or not you step back into the spotlight, your inner growth is the real victory. Keep evolving. Transformation isn't a one-time event, it's a lifestyle. Continue setting new goals and working in silence. Push your limits, evolve further, and embrace the peace and fulfillment you found in the shadow. The journey doesn't end here, it only deepens as you continue to evolve. You will feel isolated. As you evolve, your old habits and social circles may no longer align with your new values. You might feel abandoned or misunderstood, but this solitude is essential for self-discovery. It's a sign that you're outgrowing your former self and stepping into a new chapter of life. People will question your changes. Your transformation may confuse or threaten others. They may criticize or try to pull you back to your old way. Remember, their criticism reflects their own discomfort with change, not your journey. Stay focused on your purpose and don't let their doubts slow you down. New habits will feel uncomfortable. The beginning of any change is challenging. Whether it's waking up early or sticking to new routines, discomfort is inevitable. This feeling is a sign that you're pushing beyond your comfort zone. Embrace it. Growth comes from stepping into the unfamiliar. Turn pain into fuel. Pain is inevitable during transformation, but it doesn't have to hold you back. Use it as fuel to drive your journey. Reframe setbacks and discomfort as opportunities to grow stronger. The more you push through pain, the more resilient you become. 2025 is your year of silent transformation. Starting today, delete social media or go silent. Stop announcing your plans. Begin your private journey. Trust the process. Remember this, in a world of noise, silence is your superpower. In an age of constant sharing, privacy is your weapon. In a time of instant gratification, patience is your strategy. Your transformation starts now, not with an announcement, not with a post, but with a decision to disappear, transform, and let your results shock the world. The best version of you is waiting to emerge quietly, powerfully, unapologetic. If this message resonated with you, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And remember, the greatest transformations happen in the shadow. Your journey begins today. Be your best self in 2025.